Welcome to Hello Main Street, where we talk about thought-provoking ideas for you as an entrepreneur and coming together and inspiring one another. I am your host, Monica Sanchez, and I want to thank you for being here today. I want to introduce you to my guests. At the top left here with me is Jonathan Barragan. I'll let them introduce themselves once I go around the room here, and then Miriam Camero and Amanda Frank. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. And today we're going to talk about seniors, senior citizens in our community, and helping them out. I know that we are putting together an event September 19th. Right. I will share the flyer here in just a minute, but go ahead and introduce yourselves. What is it that you'll be bringing, and how will that help our seniors in our area? So Jonathan, I'm going to start with you first, and then we'll go Miriam and Amanda.
Awesome. Good morning, everybody. My name is Jonathan Barragan. I'm a mortgage loan officer with Q Home Loans, based out of Yakima, but I help the whole state in Lower Valley, of course. Come September 19th, it's going to be a great day. If you guys could please make it, or family members, or just in general, anybody in the community. What I'm going to be doing is bringing some information about reverse mortgages. This is actually a very key product, and it's specifically for our senior demographic. So this is going to be a great way to teach and just share some information about how this product it benefits somebody in that community, especially if they, of course, if they have their own homeowner, and just show them how they could actually live a little bit easier based on that and use their home as leverage. So it's just going to be a great opportunity to get some information and just kind of be more familiar with the product, because I don't feel there's a lot of information out there about it. So if we could, just spread the word, and we could actually, get people to understand how this product could benefit them, I think everybody else will see the value in it.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And as a person who I have my mom who she owns her own home, she lives in her home, and expenses keep going up. And so she's always like, how do I leverage this into her advantage? Right. So this will be a great opportunity for seniors to do the same. So Miriam, how is it that you will be helping our seniors in our community?
Thank you so much, Monica, for putting this on. I'm really excited. And I'm the owner of Quiet Minds LLC, Faith and Spiritual Life Coaching. And the way that we love to serve people is really being support. And so for seniors, that's going to be in the form of helping through transition. Later in life, you make a lot of really difficult decisions because it impacts your family, it impacts everything that you've built. And so making those transitions can be really difficult. And we're here to help process and work through those decisions and really just be there as that support for our seniors.
Yeah, I love that. And, mental health, right? That is something that if we don't feel a purpose in our lives, then there's a void. And we want to make sure that, with that, everybody is healthy and they're moving forward and they're living to their best selves, right? So that's wonderful. Thank you so much, Miriam. And Miss Amanda, how will you be helping us on that day?
Good morning. My name is Amanda Frank. I am with Berkshire Hathaway, and I am here to kind of help you stay in your home. And if you're in something with potentially stairs and you want to be still more independent and on your own, we can look for something with low maintenance, something without stairs, and keep you in your home and still give you that independence if you're not ready yet to move on, or if you have questions about how to stay there. And that is what we will all be providing, and helping you guys stay there, giving you the resources for everything possible in this journey that we have.
Yeah, that's wonderful. And Amanda, I know that you'd also mentioned there's times when our loved ones, they want to relocate, maybe closer to their family. You can also help them with that relocation pieces as
Yeah.
well, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. That's a thing that we see a lot. The parents are ready to move back and be with their children and their grandchildren, and it's very common, and a lot of that sometimes is out of state. So I help with that process as well.
Yeah, wonderful. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to share the flyer just in case you have not seen it yet. It is out on social media. So there you go. We will be having several people there. We have also partnered with Yakima and Selah Neighbors Network. This is something new that I'd recently come across. They're actually a group of seniors themselves, so 55 on up, helping one another, making sure that they have the accesses and resources if they need that. Also, they're bringing themselves a community of one another, and their whole mission is to make sure that seniors stay in their home as long as possible, and they're wanting to help to fulfill that as well. And they are a part of it. Also, they are seniors as well, and they also volunteer. So it will be a great opportunity to have everybody there. We'll have somebody there also that will be talking about Medicare. What does that look like? Helping somebody there who's with Salad Masters, helping you with healthy cooking and living. We have somebody that can do the cleaning for you, or if you want to learn a new tech skill, someone there to help you with that. So the date is September 19th. It is a Tuesday at the Harmon Center here in Yakima from 10 to 12, and would love for you guys to come on out, come check things out, even just to come talk to us. I think I'm going to be baking some goods and having coffee there. So just have some treats with us and enjoy your day and get your questions answered. Is there anything else you guys want to add to that?
No.
Okay. All righty. So thank you so much, everybody. Thanks for taking time out of your busy day. If you liked what you have to see here, please rate us and review. The more people see our podcast, the more that we will get branched out to other people who have not seen us. So thank you so much and enjoy your day.